No.
Merry Christmas!
Hello friends, on behalf of the entire BestSub team, I would like to thank you for your trust and support throughout 2025. This year, we have grown together and we truly value every partnership. We wish you a warm Christmas, a happy New Year, and great success in 2026. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Dear friends and partners, thanks for your continued trust and support of BestSub. Over the past year, our collaboration has achieved fruitful results. We look forward to creating even more success in the coming year. We wish you and your team a joyful holiday season and a prosperous New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.